All right, so we are in the middle of March Madness at Redwood schools. And March Madness is our annual fundraiser where Redwood students, or any students who want to participate and support Redwood, they get donors to pledge a certain amount of money for each page that they read. I usually pay my kids a penny per page. And then they read as many pages as they can. Audiobooks count, of course. Being read aloud to counts, of course. Reading by yourself counts, of course. You log your pages. At the end of the month, you turn your pledge in to the generous donors, and you take all that cash, and it's going to be donated to Redwood Schools. And Redwood Schools is an incredible organization in the city of Chicago. They have 2 school-based programs. One is a specialized school for kids with dyslexia, K through 8th, and one is a half-day partnership program with a Montessori school in the Oak Park area. And they also have community outreach programs. They're an incredible place. So all the money will be donated to them and be used to expand their mission, and we really appreciate you considering participating. Happy reading!